Okay. So so you see, this is the frequency, right? So this is the frequency along this axis. Frequency means this is F, right? So here we have F. And this is X. X means here. So X has 7 values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 values are there for X. So you have 7 values like this. So there, for each values we get a bar. So actually you have 7 number of bar here. For each X value, you have 1 bar. Okay. Now, what is the width will be same? So there is no such standard rule. The width actual size ta kota. There is no such standard rule, but for all bar width should be same. Somebody, for example, we can write this drawing like this. I start the bar like this. Say, okay, etc. etc. So now, what is the some rules for drawing the bar? Since this is the frequency, so the maximum frequency, if you see, in this case is 410, right? So you go for, say for example, in your copy only this is the portion of the copy where you want to draw the bar, right? This blue box is the portion of the copy for your copy where you want to draw the bar. Okay. Now, and you see the first you see the number of maximum frequencies 410. So when you draw the x-axis and the corresponding y-axis, this is the maximum, you go up to this limit. So you write it here. This is the starting point 0. You know that? And you may go up to 410 or rather 450. I go for 450 here. Max to maximum. You can get 410 also. Or rather, you can go 450. And you always go to freehand drawing like is a difference of 50 slab like this, 0 to 50. 50 to 10, not necessarily the gap should be 50. Anyway, depending on your data, depending on the frequency details, the gap may be 100, gap may be 20, gap may be 10, gap may be 1. Okay. So since maximum value is 450, I think that because 410 is the max value, so I go for 450. Oh. Just a minute there. Oh. Okay. So you like gap 50 gap. 50. Appropriately, there is no such standard rule, but depending on the size of your copy, and where you want to draw the graph, you have to subdivide the y-axis into that same ratio. but there is no such standard rule. Okay, and if the do not use the graph paper. Graph paper use করার কোনো দরকার নেই. Okay, so now, and when you get 167, when you get 167, just this is 150. It apply a simple common sense. You can gauge 167 is like this position. Remember, this is 200 point notation. This line indicate 200 value. This line indicate 150. So approximately, I repeat the word, approximately 167 will be here. So you draw this line. So you draw the bar like this. Clear? Similarly, then you get 209. So just above the 209, there is no such. আবার বলছি, don't use the graph paper. It is always a free hand drawing. At exactly 209 না হলে তোমার মার্কস কাটবে না, no tension. হ্যাঁ, তাই বলে I think 209 will be not like this. Expected 209 will be not like this. This will be not 209, I think, because this is almost nearer to the 350. Okay, so this should not be done. Then like 410, similar approach. Then 316. 360 is nearer to the 300. See this line. So you can tell 316 is like here. Okay. 192 is almost nearer to the 200, just below the 200. So you can simply write here. There is no abar bolchi, do not use scale or anything else for the measurement. Just apply is free hand drawing, simple observation and plot. Okay. Then 215 is just above the 120, 92, etc., etc., and so on. So there is a simplest bar diagram, and for every bar you have to give some name, like simple bar diagram showing the T exports in different years. Any question? Bolo, simple bar ni any question? How can I draw? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, মানে প্রবলেম গুলো বোঝা গেল তো, কি কি প্রবলেম অ্যারেঞ্জ করতে পারে। একদম গ্রাফ পেপারে যাবে না, একদম পরিষ্কার বলে দিলাম। গ্রাফ পেপারে গেলে তোমাকে কিন্তু এই মার্কস কাটবে, কারণ গ্রাফ পেপারে পারফেকশন চাই। পারফেকশন নট নিডেড, আগে বলে দিলাম। পারফেকশন নট নিডেড, but try to gaze almost nearer to the point when drawing. Almost try to go to the almost near to, like maybe 209. Say for example, for this case, so for example 209 here, maybe this point is exactly, if you plot in the graph paper, maybe this point is exactly equal to 207, maybe, I don't know. Maybe in the graph paper, if you plot this graph in the graph paper, maybe this point is maybe 207, I don't know. That depends on the graph paper plotting, but always use a plain paper and try to draw. This is called free hand drawing pattern. Okay, just দেখে করো, applying a scale, ব্যাস শুধু scale দেবে আর nothing else. Okay, now the basic আশা করি basic technique clear. Any question regarding simple? আবার জিজ্ঞাসা করছি, any question regarding simple, how can I draw the simple bar?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
Next,
sir.
next, we have to go for a different. See this concept. There is a profit loss. How can you represent the profit loss in a simple bar? Let us see this table, then you can understand. Industry versus profit loss. See this calculation. There is a minus present here. See this profit loss. Industry, cement, oil, textiles, sugar, garments, and the profit loss is 48.25 minus means loss. Okay. Sugar and garment loss minus 25. So you have to horizontal bar. You have to write. See the picture. You have to write the vertical bar. They are called vertical bar because vertical asha kori bojo. They are called vertical bar. And since there are profit loss concept, there is minus symbol present there. So how can I represent? Let us see this example. So they are called one type of horizontal bar concept. খুব ইজি, শুধু ভিজুয়ালাইজ করো, মাথার মধ্যে ঢুকিয়ে নাও, আর কিছু না, নিজেই ছবি আঁকতে পারবে, খুব ইজি। Okay, and actually you see this profit loss along the x-axis. আমার এই নোটেশনটা ভুল আছে। They are the profit loss along the x-axis. They are the industries. Oh, it is given. Is industries. But x is here. Remember, x is here. So it is called horizontal bar. Yeah? And y is along the horizontal. Right? X is here. ভালো করে দেখো. X will be there. In this case, this is industries X. And this is horizontal Y. That is frequency. There is number of profit and loss. Right? Profit versus loss. Profit is all loss. So this indicate loss, negative, and this indicate profit, positive. So when the frequency is along the horizontal, then it is called a horizontal bar. Theoretically, when the frequency along the horizontal, like y is along the horizontal line, y-axis, then it is called horizontal bar. Simple bar, but at least different approach.
Sir, can't we make it horizontally?
But let us see if we make. Can we make it vertically?
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir. Can't we make vertically?
Then I think presentation is একটু দেখাচ্ছি দেখ. If we draw it in vertical way, it looks like this. দেখাচ্ছি. It looks like right.
Yes, sir.
So it, I think, presentation is this presentation is the horizontal presentation is better with respect to this. Horizontal presentation is better. আমার জানা কেন মনে হচ্ছে that is different. There is no this is correct. The presentation is correct. No tension. Okay. This is negative part. This is positive part. This is 0. Okay. So they are the frequencies, as you know. And they are the industries na ki ache chilo ei industries. X 4 industries, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 point. Okay. 5 industries, so 5 bars will be there. But the presentation is this is correct, no tension. Number কাটতে পারবে না পরীক্ষায়, guaranteed. But horizontal representation is like good looking এর ব্যাপার একটা আছে বলছিলাম, looking better যেন মনে হয়। ওকে, এবং this is the standard মানে প্রেজেন্টেশন বলতে পারো যে when there is a negative value present in the frequency, so always go for the horizontal presentation. ভার্টিক্যাল প্রেজেন্টেশনটা ভুল নয় কিন্তু আমি আবার বলছি, পরীক্ষায় ভুল করে ভার্টিক্যাল লিখলে লিখতেই পারো তোমার ব্যক্তিগত ব্যাপার, তাতে তোমাকে নাম্বার কাটতে পারবে না, আই রিপিট। কিন্তু আই থিঙ্ক দিস প্রেজেন্টেশন ইজ মোর লুকিং বেটার এটা মনে হচ্ছে। ওকে, নেক্সট
So we can also go for horizontal one.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
The
এইটা এইটা
first one.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ একদম একদম,
Yes,
why not,
sir.
why not, obviously why not. But the again I repeat, there is the standard protocol, standard convention, protocol bolbo na, standard convention, that if there is no negative values there, always go for vertical. But there is no such standard rule, mane you are not wrong if you go it in the vertical way. But this is a standard convention, they always go for this vertical pattern. If there is negative values included, then go for the horizontal. কিন্তু তার মানে তুমি যদি উল্টো করে করো, নো টেনশন। আবার বলছি 100% মানে অঙ্ক কারেক্ট, তোমার কাটতে পারবে না পরীক্ষায়। ওকে, নাও উই গো ফর দ্য,
Yes, sir.
নাও উই গো ফর দ্য মাল্টিপল বার। হোয়াট ইজ দ্য বেসিক, let us first of all, why we require the multiple bar, first of all এটা we have to know that why we require the multiple bar concept কি। Let us go for this example. See this, the table you make see as a bivariate data analysis. You must say bivariate, why? Because there are two variable involved. How? See this table concept, যেটা আমি blue color দেখতে পাচ্ছ, there are two this table. This table actually multiple bar diagram is required for this type of presentation where more than one variable present. More than one variable, why? Let us check here. Variable 1 as industry, and you can say as X, and it has values like chemical, engineering, service and food. So X has 4 values, right? And you can so industry write an X, and here you can write as Y. So although bivariate data analysis is not in our syllabus, but since the আমি দেখেছি পরীক্ষায় previous example যে multiple bar diagrams present in your year question, তাই আমি multiple bar diagram যাচ্ছি, although this is related with the bivariate data analysis, right? Okay. So ER such a Y, so you can say ER variable has three values, like this is a one financial year value, 1997 to 98, 98 to 99 another financial value, and 99 to 100 is another financial value, right? So they are the list of data, and in crores, these values are in crores. 956 in crores. 956 in crores. Okay. Similarly, 1580, that is yours in crores. Okay. So how can I represent? Bivariate. পরীক্ষা আসে বলে দিয়ে করাচ্ছে, actually theoretically bivariate, multivariate data analysis, sorry, multiple bar diagram is related with the bivariate data. Okay. So I'm going to represent, let us check. See this. See this concept. Chemical, year wise we have the 3 part. Let us see. There are 3 years, 1997, 98, 1997, 98, 99, 99, 2000, okay? And the corresponding, for each year, you have the 4 sub part, like chemical, engineering, service, food. I repeat, there are 3 year, you can say 3 financial year, like 97, 98, 97, 98, 99, 99, 2000. And for each financial year, there are 4 types of industry value available. Industrial inflows values, like chemical, engineering, service, food. Okay. So, for example, 1997, 98 chemical value will be 956, engineering values will be 2155, service values will be 1194, and food values will be 414, 418. So, this is the, see this concept, this is the 1997, 98 year, there are the 4 bar, you see, for every year there are 4 bar actually. There's the combined bar, combined, sometimes it is called combined bar diagram concept, multiple in that sense. 1998, 1998, 99, there is 4, and there is 4 also. And again, if you go for these details, the maximum value is, you may say, 2155 and 78. So I go for huge gap. See this gap. 500 gap will be given, 0 to 500, 500 to 1000, 1000 to 150, 100, 100, 500, then 2000, then 2500. And apply your common guess with style. We start 956, that is 956 means chemical. No? Let's see, 97, 956. Okay. Then 2155 is for engineering, and it is 2155. Again a freehand drawing. No perfection is required, but almost nearer to the exact value. 2155, right? Then 1194 and so on. 418 and etc. etc. Okay? And for every multiple, and there is always, there should be a heading for this, like this. Multiple bar diagram showing the inflows of foreign investment in selected sector during 1997 to 2000. Clear? Now, question থাকলে বলো, any question, how can I draw related, drawing related? A shading, it is depends on you. Shading দিলে দাও না দিলে না দাও, shading দিলে better লাগে দেখতে. Okay. Then subdivided. বলো.
So instead of shading, we can write chemical, then engineering, then services.
Okay, good. You can write simply like
it
this.
Will
bolo.
Yeah, it will consume. It will consume less time.
Exam good. So instead of giving this shading, you can write simply like engineering is here. Like say this is the chemical. So you write the chemical. You write.
Yes, inside the bar we can write.
Inside the bar you can write like this. Right. Inside this bar you can write, say, engineering. Clear? Write this and so on. Tick. Okay.
One more thing.
Bolo.
Sir.
Bolo.
Sir, if a student if a student draws 0 to 2500 directly,
0 to 2000 matlab?
gaps will not be there.
No. That should be a, this gap, I think.
No,
This,
sir,
this,
from
this
0, yeah,
there,
from 0
yes,
to 2500.
2500. No
500.
gap, no. This will be not
No,
there, right?
gap will be, yes, sir.
Right? No, I think
Yes, sir, yes.
some marking should be there. Otherwise, it is quite impractical drawing. Impractical drawing. You want to say like this.
মার্কিং না দিলে বোঝাই তো যাবে না যে কোন
হ্যাঁ
ভ্যালুটা
হ্যাঁ
কোনটা।
একদম তোমারই তো প্রবলেম হবে না impractically like this
Yes,
so you write like this it is a quite impractical এটা হয় না
yes, sir. I'm just asking. If a student draws like that, what will be?
বলো if a student draw like that you have to mention
বলছিলাম যে এরকম
you have to mention this points
স্যার
বলো
স্যার বলছিলাম যে এরকম মাল্টিপল বারে যেমন এরকম ভেতরে ফিল করা আছে তো ওরকম সিঙ্গেল মানে সিম্পল বারে কেন ফিল করতে হবে কি নাকি এরকম ড্র করলেই হয়ে যাবে?
ওই যে ও বলছিল একটু আগে লেস টাইম দ্যাট ডিপেন্ডস অন ইউ তুমি যদি টাইমটা পরীক্ষা একটা ফ্যাক্টর ফিল না করতেও পারো আমি এগুলো ফিল করেছি আমার হাতে অস্ত্র আছে তাই আই মিন আই ইউজ দ্য ওয়ার্ড এক্সেল এক্সেট্রা এক্সেট্রা এক্সেল বাট ইট ইজ ফিল করার দরকার নেই জাস্ট সিম্পলি এগুলোকে সিম্পলি লাইক দিস এগুলোকে সিম্পলি বার হিসেবে লিখে দেয় নো টেনশন
ঠিক আছে
এইগুলো এরকম বার করে লিখে দেয় এরকম লাইক করে আছে না আবার কি করবে for multiple bar diagram you have to identify each bar right এই ক্ষেত্রে কোনো টেনশন নেই okay this is okay but for the multiple bar diagram like this you have to mention like this what is the meaning of 956 you have to mention I mentioned here in this case but you can again you can write the simply name that is 956 ka matlab chemical na chemical so simply write chemical here you can say
Yes, sir.
okay then another form that is called subdivided bar again there is a bivariate data you see the bivariate data there are you can say like here as x here as x right so x has values these values these values these values these values these values 5 values of x okay and they are the countries so you can say countries as y so countries has 1 2 3 4 5 y has also 5 values right that is USA is the value of y right US is the value of y Hong Kong is the value of y Malaysia is the value of y Singapore and Germany so naturally there are bivariate data analysis but the presentation is quite different with respect to the multiple bar diagram you can also represent them in the multiple bar okay you can also represent this bivariate data into multiple bar but if that is you have to form the subdivided let us see this is a more calculation required for this case of bar diagram a single bar, but that is divided. See, a single bar that is divided. Just a write, একটা বার explain করে বুঝতে সুবিধা হবে. Just a write these values. Let us check. Say for example, for the USA, just a write it. I write only these values, right? Say 190, 94 to 95. So you write USA equal to 210. This line. Then Hong Kong 86, right? Malaysia 56, right? Singapore 91, right? Germany, sorry, Singapore 275, right?
275.
Germany one total, you can say 718. Now, again you see here you have one, you have to calculate the y-axis that is along the y horizontal line. You go for the total case. So maximum total is 1800. Remember, so maximum total is 1800. Max total. Here we go for max total. So let us check this. Drawing টা কি করে করলাম দেখো. Now see this diagram. See the diagram. You go for only this line. I go for only this. So first of all, maximum is 188. So I go for maximum 188. And then subdivided roughly 200. Roughly just 200, 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. To be, you can divide by 100 slab, 100, 100, 100. Okay. Now, how can I draw this? It is the main case. How can I draw this? First, you have to write 210, and that is 210. You see this. Can calculation required? Now you see. So this is 210, right? After that, you write, you have to 86. So 210, see the calculation, plus 86, that is 296. So you go up to 296 point. You see this? Clear? And you draw this. This is the subdivided is little bit tough with respect to the other two, multiply and simple but quite easy. Then you have 56. So what you have to do 96 plus 56 কত হয় 252, right? So you go up to this point is 252. Clear? Any query? Then you have
352 না?
Oh, sorry. আমারই ভুল হয়ে গেছে. So 352. Sorry, right. 352. Okay. Then you have to add 352 with add 250 তাই তো? Then 6 to 7. Then this point is, you see, this point is 6 to 7, right? This point is 6 to 7. Okay. And after that, you have to add 91. So 91 will be 718. So naturally, this is the last point, and you have to 718. So আবার বলছি subdivided bar diagram drawing is little bit tough because huge calculation is required with respect to the multiple or simple. Subdivided is little bit tough. Again, for the instead of shading, you can write the name here. Like for the case of 210, you can write USA. For the case of 86, you can write Hong Kong and so on. Instead of shading, you can write the name also. But you have to mention either using shading or using name. What is the meaning of every division of the bar? Okay. Mention তোমায় করতেই হবে. What is the meaning of every division? Either you can use the name of the
Sir.
division or বলো or shading.
Sir, if enough place will not be there, then how we can write the name?
Shade. Apply the shading. If enough place is not there,
The
so
shading will take lot of time.
then use some.
So
no,
we
why?
can write like this. We can write outside means USA, and then we can give arrow.
You can write. You can write USA. Why? How? Here you write USA.
Yes, sir. And we will give the arrow.
I think it is okay. Okay, that is also true. Whatever you have to mention, that is enough. By hook and crook, we have to mention the meaning of every division. Shading like this. Like there is a fourth division like this. This and this. So I use this set. Why is it required? So many, it not takes so many time. I use the plus. Plus means USA. I use minus.
Oh, okay, sir.
Minus means Hong Kong. I use zero. Zero means বলো না কিছু China না কি আছে Malaysia. Sorry.
Malaysia,
What cross? Cross means Germany.
Singapore.
Singapore. I use another symbol, right? So I use like বলো আর কিছু না blank. I use blank. Blank means Germany.
Germany.
So it's not so easy with better you can use this by hook and crook you have to mention best method key that is depends on you. Okay. As any question regarding subdivision and obviously for every table you have to কোথায় গেল কলা হেডিংটা every this is the heading. Okay. Like this.
So we can also write ABCD.
ABCD मतलब
ABCD means USA,
okay, that
Hong
also
Kong,
possible.
G.
Okay, good, that also possible. Okay, that also possible. But you have to write instead of 210 you have to write a here, or instead of using this set,
Yes.
Okay, that is also possible. Okay, if any question top column